Things with Wings addresses challenges that clients face at the intersection of social, PR, digital and technology.
Batten Hall launched 1 year ago, and our mission was to innovate, and our aim is to become the next great agency.
We merged our generalist consumer and sports B2B PR agency with a digital marketing agency.
So we've taken a traditional PR model of account exec, account director and account manager and turned it on its head.
Golin restructured by changing the entire agency both here in the UK and around the world from a team of generalists to industry specialists.
Probably the biggest change we see is in the briefing process. So we start with a kick-off. We actually talk around the insight, what we recognise as being real, and then we take all of those different elements of the brief and give it to specialists.
The way that we've tried to work differently is through embracing side projects. We set aside 20% of our time just for innovation.
So one of the things that we learned from going through the change program is that you absolutely need to go all in. We found that having an in-between position doesn't really work, and so we changed all of the roles that we had, 1,000 around the world and the 150 here in the UK, from generalist roles to around 20 specialist roles.
Change is not for everyone, and some people like to do media relations work and be PR specialists, and so it's important that they're recognised for what they are, because it's a very core skill. And secondly, it's taking clients on the journey with you.
PR agencies need to realise that they can't do everything on their own. They need to show that to clients. They need to be open to new ways of working. The truth is we're going to have more creative technologists inside our businesses. We're going to be working in different ways. And I think we're also going to be a much more diverse business as well, ethnically, socially and academically.
We think the agency of the future should be able to operate deftly in shared and paid media.
In terms of 10 years' time, and the traditional PR agency, I would imagine, is very much not going to be in existence. I think things will be far more integrated, very insightful, and I think much more creative as a result.